Something soft enough to sleep in, beautiful enough to make you feel good, and comfortable enough to forget you're even wearing it.
I created these ads for my own business, Planet Female, using AI and just my phone, no camera, professional studio, and no expensive equipment. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created it from the idea and product image to the video and final editing. First, open ChatGPT. Here, we are going to generate our script and prompt. So, we'll click on the plus sign, select the product we are going to use. I'm using my own product, 3-in-1 nightwear. So, I'll go to my photos and select the product. You can collect the product anywhere. I selected my own. This 3-in-1 nightwear set. So I select them in 3 different colors and add. As it's generating, I'll go back and collect my own image. I want to use myself and model my product. So I now tell Chat to also give me script for the commercial. That's this advert we're going to do. So it's generating. He has generated the script for us. Now tell Chat to generate prompt for each scene that we are going to generate each image for them. So he's generated the prompt for me now. It's generating the prompt per scene. So now let's check the prompt. So this is the prompt. We copy the prompt. So we're going to copy the prompt one by one. As we copy the prompt, we'll go over to Gemini. So when we reach Gemini, you click the plus sign, add your own image. As you add your own image, we'll go back again, select your product. I select the 3-in-1 again. Then paste the prompt. As we press the prompt, we'll now also tell it that is for ad and send. So it's generating now. We allow it to generate. Perfect. So this is the first scene, the opening of the model art. Now we'll go back again to Chat, copy the second prompt. As you copy the second prompt, you'll be doing it one by one by each scene. So we'll copy the prompt again and come back to Gemini and paste the prompt again. Now, this is the second scene, the second image. So we continue to do that until we are done generating all the scenes that we are going to use for this commercial. So I'm doing it again for the last time, for the third time. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and go over to Gemini and paste the prompt there again. Then allow it to generate. So now it's generating. I'm trying to select my product again so that it will return my product. Yes, to also do it so that it will make sure that it generates your exact product. If you don't do it, okay, it will give you another design. So this one I'm generating in another color of my product. So this is another color of my product, and I'll tell it to generate the scene for me after pasting the prompt. So it's generating, and as well add my image in order to maintain my face, the same clothing and what I want. So this is my clothing, the third one. So that's how you'll be doing it until you are fully generated all the same for your commercial. Save the images to your phone, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script scene by scene because you want to generate the video. Go to YouTube, click the plus sign, short, then that star that is up, click on it. Then it will bring you create videos. Click on create videos, add image, then select the first image you generated. That's your opening of ad. So when you select your first image, then paste your prompt where they say describe your idea. Then let YouTube know that is for commercial. Then send it. As you send it, it's generating. Let's wait for a moment for it to generate. And this is what we'll have. Perfect. This is the first scene. So the first scene has done generating, and you will do like this in all the scenes, each of the scenes of the script you generated. After that, we'll go to InShot. You can use CapCut. Click on videos, new, then select all the images of this commercial that we generated from Gemini. So select all of them. As a tick mark good for all of them, it will bring you to where you will do editing. So you can use CapCut for your editing. I just use InShot for this teaching. I normally use CapCut because I prefer CapCut. It used to give me every features I want. Edit it professionally, and we are done. So I use InShot for, especially for beginners. They can use InShot because it's very easy to understand and very easy to organize your videos for you. If you're a beginner, use InShot. So InShot is very good. And if you want me to teach you how to edit your videos professionally using CapCut, please comment edit in the comment section so that I will teach it in our next video. If you love this teaching and our video, please like, comment, share for the beginners to see it and learn more. Thank you for watching till this level. If this video favor you and if this video help you and open your eyes, please subscribe to Josephine AI Academy. You're welcome. AI isn't just for business. You can use it to create, learn, work, build, and bring your ideas to life. If you want practical AI tutorial that you can follow step by step, subscribe to Josephine AI Academy and I will send you the next one.